primeira tursimang bonbiní de nosso programa Rumbo di Nos Kompas. Esse man aqui nós estamos elaborar tiki mais riba e summit quatro maluga.
2 semanas passadas, nós mostramos a reunião que estava tendo riba projeto ticket 8 destinashon.
Esse man aqui, nós também mostramos o summit quatro maluga, caminho da delegação de diferentes países que de visita aqui na Kòrsou. Nós também abrimos com a palavra de nosso ministro presidente, também minister Hakim e senhor Gatim Kabara, diretor de oficina de turismo, que abre o summit oficial.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of our Prime Minister of Curaçao, Mr. Gerrit Schotte, and on behalf of the Minister of Economy and Tourism of Curaçao, Mr. Abdel Nasser El Hakim, we welcome you to Curaçao. We are here today as a result of a dream. It is a dream that started in Curaçao, but it does not belong to Curaçao. It is a dream that was born here, created here, nurtured here, but it belongs to everyone who is in this room and the countries that we come from. It represents the future of the Southern Caribbean region. It is what will ignite a decade of collaboration like nothing we've ever seen in the Southern Caribbean. All the participating nations are here today because they realize that with this one dream, with this one project that everyone has shown commitment to, we realize that the importance that it has for each one of our countries. The only reason this is possible is because you believe just as much as we do that this can be done. So much is so that tomorrow, Grenada, Aruba, Trinidad and Tobago, Colombia, Venezuela, Curaçao and Boneiru will be signing a letter of intent to move forward with the one ticket, 8 destination project.
We are gathered here today to mark the start of an innovative breakthrough in the history of the Caribbean. Our Prime Minister Gerrit Schotte supports this dream widely. And we believe that each one of our destinations has its own unique character and attributes that will contribute to an unforgettable experience for our visitors. This project will show our ability to bring together 7 nations and 8 destinations. On the 15th and 16th of August, our trusted professionals came together during a technical meeting and used the occasion to discuss all the relevant details that made this summit possible. I would like to extend my thanks, ministers, for your dedications and commitment so early on. During the technical meeting, I had a simple message. We can be pioneers, and we can mutually benefit on multiple levels, be it touristic, social, economical, or trade. Its success proved that our intentions are clear and that our noses are pointing in the same direction to achieve this dream. Economic growth is an important factor in this development. The 8 destinations, air and cruise hopping in the Southern Caribbean is an opportunity to develop our economies further, provide employment for our people, and above all, will be the pioneer developers of a dream holiday package. We are creating a brand new experience based on our unique environment. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the entrepreneurial spirit that will breathe new life in our future development. On this note, I have to see you all at the Curaçao North Sea Jazz Festival, which will be an experience of its own. It illustrates perfectly the level of experience we are aiming for. Ladies and gentlemen, a momentum has been created and political leadership and commitment are important to sustain it. As I mentioned before, this unique concept is creating a new dimension in tourism and logistics, mutually beneficial for all parties on multiple levels.
Es un placer hoy tener estas bueno, islas, países, aquí en Curazao, hermanos, porque desde el momento, from the moment that this logo was created, desde el momento que este logo fue creado, and that we united all these flags together, todas estas banderas juntas, I knew, yo sabía que lo que vamos a hacer, lo vamos a hacer juntos. Y eso va a ser la fuerza de este proyecto. The strong of this project will be what we can do together. That's why the logo, from what it expresses, the most important thing is the 7 flags down below. Nosotros todos competimos de una forma u otra en el turismo, uno hacia el otro. We compete against each other as tourism destinations here in the Caribbean. But with this project, we will put an end in that. And we will show the world that we can do it together and be successful. The Minister of Tourism of Colombia recently, 1.5 months ago, told me that we should achieve one of the main tourist conferences called FITUR and deliver this product as one product to the world. And I think that should be our aim. The aim of Minister Hakim, the aim of the Minister of Tourism of Grenada, Mr. Sylvester Quarles, nuestro ministro de Venezuela, Señor Freddy Quairo, Minister Otmar Odeberg from Aruba, our sister island, the Commissioner in charge with tourism, Mr. Donald Trump from Boneiru, and today also Mrs. Melba the DA from Trinidad that is representing the Minister of Tourism of Trinidad and Tobago. The intention is to create one product that we can present to the world. And it all started with just one dream, a dream. And this is the one thing we all, as 7 countries, should do. Don't stop dreaming.
Também nós conversar com representante de cada delegação, que ainda nós vai escutar não pensamento, riba iniciativa aqui.
Trinidad and Tobago is very excited to be part of this project. For us, the signing of this letter of intent means that we will have the political will to work towards sorting out the challenges involved in this project, which we recognize will be many, but we believe that with the start, the initiative, the beginning that we've had here at this summit, we believe that it will happen, and my minister, who was unable to attend the summit, has asked me to say that he will be on that maiden voyage together with our Prime Minister. So we're very interested in making this happen.
Nós estamos sumamente contentes de parte de Boneiru de estar presente na summit que está tomando lugar agora aqui na Kòrsou, ticket 8 destinashon. Para Boneiru, nós estamos sumamente contentes com a iniciativa que a começar de parte do Sr. Schotte, que com sonho, e agora que é sonho, pouco a pouco vai virar realidade. O que significa para Boneiru que nós também, se nós relacionamos com nossa isla, com maneira Colombia, Venezuela, Grenada, Trinidad, Aruba, Kòrsou e algum outro mais, para nós poder diversificar nosso turismo e também esse intercâmbio cultural e também comércio, que está de hopi importante também para nós. E fora agora que com nossa economia, não está uma economia muito de gaba, que custa vir caro, e essa aqui também está coisa que nós podemos chegar junto, para toda a isla, país entrar junto, e assim que nós podemos baixar nos preços e também nosso turismo de intercambio con 8 países aquí.
La iniciativa de un ticket 8 naciones para Venezuela representa una gran iniciativa del gobierno de Curazao de establecer un puente entre estos 7 destinos que le pueda brindar al turista otra visión distinta de lo que es el turismo en estas 7 naciones. Evidentemente esta actividad va a tener ciertos tropiezos, pues, pero debemos estos 7 países superar esos tropiezos. Como bien lo dijeron en la presentación, se puso un hombre en la luna, pues será mucho más fácil interconectar estos 7 destinos a través de un ticket y poder promover en esta zona del Caribe, además de sol y playa, otras actividades que puedan hacer los turistas, bien sea por vía aérea, por vía de ferry o por vía de crucero, que traiga un bienestar económico a toda la región del Caribe.
Este novedoso producto, bajo el liderazgo de Curazao y bajo su iniciativa, significa para Colombia una gran oportunidad de continuar consolidando su sector turístico. Porque no estamos hablando solamente de los 70 millones o más que conformarían, de habitantes que conformarían este nuevo grupo turístico del sur del Caribe, sino de todo el atractivo que ejerce sobre los turistas de Europa y de los Estados Unidos para ofrecerles algo novedoso, algo diferente, un crucero no existente a lo largo del sur del Caribe. De manera que bienvenidos todos a esta nueva oportunidad para el turismo de nuestros países.
Bom, ik denk dat de primeira coisa mostra que dentro de islas of países que estão rond de nós aqui na parte sur de América e Caribe América tem necessidade para nos trabalhar junto para poder desenvolver esse tipo de esforço e trabalho que nós estamos fazendo se mesmo materializar o plano que tem no momento aqui. A ideia de pôr cruise line, island hopping, maneira como se diz, one ticket 8 destinations, está dando uma oportunidade para nós que para fora naturalmente de área que normalmente tem mal-estar, mal tempo, que toch dá uma oportunidade na viajero, passageiro, para bem abordar o mês na qualquer de 8 destinações aqui, 7 países aqui, ou naturalmente hiba cruzeiro dentro de parte sul de Caribe aqui.
We see some challenges, but these are surmountable. We can overcome these challenges in terms of the logistics and so on, putting it together, because what I feel is happening here is the political will of the various destinations that are coming on board. Venezuela, Aruba, Kòrsou, Trinidad and Tobago, Grenada, Margarita, and Colombia. And I think that initiative will only serve to better what we are doing in terms of selling our countries for those who want to come and share what we have in the Southern Caribbean. We know it is very difficult. We know we have some challenges, but as I mentioned before, we can overcome that. And it takes the political will to do that. And the Prime Minister of Kòrsou is the brainchild. That brainchild, that is to translate that into reality. And I foresee that we can do it once we have the will.
The 2nd of September 2011 will no longer be just another page on the calendar. It will be from now on mark the official beginning of the ambitious one ticket 8 destinations concept, the South Caribbean. I congratulate you all who are part of this defining moment. God bless you and good luck.
I think with the conviction of each of these 7 countries, including Curaçao, we can make it. We need to present one package that the world will be jealous, that the Caribbean will be jealous, and organizations that have tried to do what we are doing today, the CTO, the Caribbean Tourism Organization, or even the WTO, the World Tourism Organization, will say, look at those 7 countries, how they manage, and they did it. And that's what we should achieve. We should push till we achieve that moment that this product is a reality. There's no home port. We all are the home ports. The strong of each of these countries should be the one thing that will complement the total of this one package called One Ticket, 8 Destinations.
Televidente, mi spera que você também tenha uma informação importante for de outro programa Rumbo di Nos Kompas. Nós topa outra semana, maneira sempre.